Okay, hello everyone. Here I am again. This is Rick Ray, and I was here a few minutes ago, but I realized I wasn't actually sharing my screen, and that's quite important when we're doing analysis that we look at the chart, of course. So here it is, a Thursday, and we do have some high impact news coming in about 15 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes, and that is the news I will share with you. Let me just go over and share the chart right now. And here we are. This is forexfactory.com that we're looking at. And you see we have two news items at 7:30 p.m. That's Asian time. That's in Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, wherever you live in Asia. But if you live somewhere else, just be sure and check forexfactory.com. But that news is coming out in about 20 minutes. And we have the core price index month on month. And then the weekly one that we always get every Thursday is the unemployment claims for the U.S. economy. And if these items are bad for the U.S. economy, bad news, that means actual less than forecast, then that's going to put pressure on the U.S. dollar. And that means that gold is likely to rise. All right, so let me go back to the gold chart. And this is the 4-hour chart. Let me just make sure that, yes, I'm sharing the screen this time. Okay, I was here a little bit earlier and I wasn't sharing the screen, so I'm doing this live stream again. And I don't know if you were watching the first one or not, but here we are looking at the gold chart on the 4-hour chart. Okay, this is gold with the US dollar, XAU USD. All right, we've been having a nice bullish run for the last 5 or 6 trading days. So the bulls have control. All right, the bulls have control, and they have the potential to take gold to higher prices, but it depends on what this news is going to be when it comes out. Okay, so that's why it's very important, this high impact news that's coming in about 15 or 20 minutes. That's going to either put pressure on the dollar if the news is bad, and then that will give gold the opportunity to move up. So where will it go? All right, if it goes up, where will it go? If it goes down, where will it go? All right, well, I have the support lines on the chart here for you. The first one there is 1939. Then if it drops below that, it would be 1932. Below that would be 1922, and below that 1914. Okay, but if gold should move up, then we have the possibility to move up to higher prices, and that would be the first level, 1955. And that is about $9 or 90 pips above where we're trading now at 1946. Okay, if it breaks above 1955, 56, then the next level would be 1972 to 1976. And if I really zoom in, you can see those levels here. There's the first one, 1955, and then 1972 up there. We had a long bearish run, but the bulls took control back on the 23rd of August, and now it's starting to move gold up. It just depends on how the news is going to unfold in about 15 minutes or so, which direction gold is going to take. All right, you see gold hasn't been doing very much today. It's just this consolidated here. It's just been staying right around 1944, 1945 for most of the day. It moved up a little bit this morning in the Asian Pacific market. You see that big green candle there, that was the Asian Pacific market. But then with Europe and London, it hasn't done much. And now just before the US market has opened about 15 minutes ago, the US market for Forex trading opened about 15 minutes ago, and it has started to move up. But, you know, we're just waiting for that news that's going to come out, the high impact news, to see what's actually going to happen for the rest of the US session. And remember, tomorrow we have the non-farm payrolls. Tomorrow is the 1st of September, and it's the first Friday of the month. And we always have the non-farm payrolls on the first Friday of the month. And that's the most highly watched news item for Forex traders. So don't miss that one. Now, tomorrow, I don't know if I'll be able to do live stream because in about 3 or 4 hours from now, I'm getting on a plane to go to Dubai. And it's a 13-hour journey. So I'm not sure if I'll be maybe in Doha, Qatar. And if I have a layover there, then I'll do the live stream from there. but I might be still on the plane. I'm not sure. If I have the opportunity, I will do live stream during the non-farm payrolls. But if you don't see me tomorrow, then you know why. Okay, it's because I'm on the plane. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, just feel free to message me and I will get back to you. If you'd like to look at any other uh, currency pairs, let me make sure yeah, I'm still back on the charts there now. Okay, that's good. And all right, I just want to make sure I'm looking at the chart. I want to just look at the Euro US right quickly. And you see, the Euro US has been dropping a lot today. All right, but gold hasn't been moving. Okay, let's go down quickly and look at the DXY, which the DXY is the US dollar index. That's the dollar compared with 6 other major currencies. And we see that the dollar has been declining for several days, and that's allowed gold to be moving up for the last few days. So here we have, it looks like the US dollar has been gaining a little bit of strength, but not doing much the last 2 or 3 hours. So we're just everybody just waiting to see what that news is going to be, which comes out in 13 minutes. All right, so don't move away from your charts. All right, let me go back up here to gold. So what is the action you should take? If you're a trader, what is the action you should be taking? Okay, I'll give you my advice. This is not financial advice. All right, I'm not suggesting or recommending that you do what I tell you, but I can tell you what I would do. All right, I can tell you what I would do. I don't trade the news. All right, I don't trade the news because the news causes currencies and commodities to be very volatile. Now, if you want, you could put a buy stop above the price and you could put a sell stop below the price, but oftentimes your stop loss will get hit in that case. Sometimes it's very, very, very volatile when the news comes out. Wait, 15, 20 minutes till after the news, and then you start to see the direction, and then you can take your trade. All right, but don't chase the candles. That's the main thing. That's my main piece of advice that I give everyone is don't chase the candles. All right, let the market come to you. And especially during news items, sometimes the news comes out and it's good, but the currency or the commodity goes the other direction. So trading on the news is very, very risky. All right, and you can lose your money very quickly trading during the actual release of the news. So just be patient. All right, and when you trade small. Be willing to grow your account gradually over time, and you can be successful trading forex. But be cautious with these high impact news items, as we saw last week when Jerome Powell was speaking. Well, the markets just went crazy. All right, and it was easy to lose your money very, very quickly. So that's my suggestion. Just be patient and let's see what the news is going to be. And then if it's bad for the US economy, then gold is likely to go up to our next resistance zone. If the news is good for the US economy, then that means that that will put pressure on gold, and gold is likely to drop down to the next support level, which I have given those both to you. I'll share the screen again with you one more time just so you can see those support and resistance levels. There you have it, our first level of support, 1939, 1940. And then our resistance level is 1955, 1956. Okay. So I'm not going to be here. I'm going to go ahead and sign off for the news. But just again, I'll see you again tomorrow, hopefully. All right, same time, same channel. If I'm not here, it's because I'm on a plane and I couldn't make it. Otherwise, have a great trading session in this Thursday and a good trading week. And I'll see you again in the next video. This is Rick Ray signing off.